Today we have a 2012 Ford Fusion SEL. It's got the 2.5. The customer says it's been starting hard or not starting now. They got to jump it. So we're going to show you how to replace the battery and where it's located. This is your Ford 2.5 motor. The nice thing is the battery is right up here, and you can see the battery is actually 321, so it's not that old. But for whatever reason, it's not starting consistently. Right now it's totally dead. So we're going to show you how to remove this. I'm going to start by taking the negative off. This is a little 8mm. Okay. Usually batteries will last 2 or 3 years or longer, but I don't know what the warranty on this one was. We're replacing it with a 3-year free replacement, and they actually had one with a 4-year, but we're doing the 3. Right there. Set it off the side like that. Now we got to do next. There's a hold down, which I'm going to have to get an extension so we can remove the battery. This happens to be the exact same size as 8. So we're just going to remove this. Okay, batteries are sold by group size, so it fits in your individual tray right there. You got to make sure the positive's on the same side, the negative's on the same side of the battery. This one's 3-year free replacement, and this one is I don't know what it was for that. It says 36 months, but it was prorated. They'll give you so much back, but he just picked this up. He didn't want to deal with it. So, okay, it's the same size, same height, so we're ready to install it. Like that, slide it over. Like I said, make sure these grooves are on the outside so it slides down in there. Just like that. Sometimes you gotta wiggle a little to get your start. Okay, just like that, don't get crazy on it. Okay, it's held in place now. Now it's not going to go anywhere. Next thing I do is hook up the positive. And you can see these are, if these were dirty, you'd clean them. But since they're clean, I'm just going to put this on there, tighten that down. It's only 8, so you're not going to grab out here to the end and reef as hard as you can. Just tighten it like that. Snug. Tighten this one up. Okay, so that's tight. Tight. Put this cover on it. And that's all it takes to install a battery on a 2012 Ford Fusion SEL with a 2.5 motor.